Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by putting the jeans on and marking exactly where they gape. This tells you the how much to remove. Once done, stand straight and pin vertical darts or side seams using 1/2 increments so you don't overcorrect. Make sure to mark both sides symmetrically. This balances the fit. Before any cutting or sewing, double-check mobility. Sit and walk a few steps. If the pins feel uneven, adjust until the waist sits snug but comfortable. You now convert pins into secure seams. First, hand baste along your pinned lines so you can test the fit again. This prevents surprises. Once satisfied, sew with a straight stitch and backstitch at each end to lock it in, then press the seam open to reduce bulk. If adding elastic, fold a clean one casing at the inside waistband, stitch leaving a gap, feed elastic through with a safety pin, and adjust until the waist sits firm but flexible. You finish by trimming excess fabric and finishing raw edges with a zigzag stitch or serger to stop fraying. Then top stitch the waistband and reattach belt loops for a clean, original look. Press everything flat so seams settle. Make sure to wash and dry the jeans to let seams relax. If you see puckering, loosen machine tension or add a small strip of interfacing to stabilize. If fit feels off, remeasure and adjust one small change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.